Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the listing. Okay, so this is the mock shell we have here. So assignment to analysis population. Okay, so what we are doing, we are going to list these variables in the reporting. Okay, so let me continue doing with by using the Python programming. Okay, I already created one data set. Let me open the listing one here. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to reset the previous, if there is any operations, any outputs are present, I'm trying to reset them. Then I'm start doing log if there is any previous log is continued, so I'm stopping that one, and then I'm starting in the fresh log by using the list1 log. Okay, so if I run this one, so I'm using the 3.13 version here, so I'm connecting this canal here. So if I run this part, I can able to see the list1 is start logging this information. Okay, next what I'm doing, I'm just importing all that required libraries in this listing execution. Okay, so I import. So here what you have to what to know that there is a one new variable, one new library we have to be import, that is docx. Okay, docx, this is you have to, if you go to the terminal here, if you ask for the new terminal. Okay, so here, so you have to install like that, pip install, I think it's table dot, okay, wait, pip list. So here we have so we have the tablet here, but let me check. Okay, okay, so here we have this library. Do you see this one, Python docx? This is the one we have to install, because this library I already installed, I don't need to be installed again. So what you can do, I just clear this part and you install like this, pip install python dot hyphen docx. So if you start installing this one, you will able to get the required library to import here. Okay, so this library will be using for reporting purpose. Okay, so next I once I run it, then I import the Adam path data sets, because I need Adam data sets to execute this listing program. Then if I need to read the SAS7B data, so I'm using the same similar the program which I have used it before in the Adams. So I'm using the same thing, the class and object. So I'm applying that one here to import the ADSL here. So now when I check the mock shell here, and the mock shell is asking for assignment to analysis population, so I will be having the subject number, then safety population, then intent to treatment populations, then protocol populations, then after that randomization flag. So all these five variables we should need. So for that reason I have selected unit subject ID, safety population, intent to treatment population flag, per protocol flag, and randomization flag. Then what I'm applying, then here the next I am applying for the line for each individual page. So I don't want to increase more than 20 records per page, so the page should be will be having the 20 pages. Okay, so then we come here we having adding the, by using the document. So I'm taking the doc add paragraph as a function. So this is one kind of paragraph newly added to the end of the document. So here what we're doing here, because you see, if I see the mock shell will be having COVID-19 AA and protocol 043, right? So I'll be considering that part, I'll be taking that part here. So I'm using the alignment in the left alignment, so I'll be using the left alignment. Then I'm using the title para, so the 16.2.1.1, so that is the title on the top. So that would be giving is the central alignment. So this should be central alignment. Basically this is will be the same thing, the alignment will be in the center. Okay, next I'm using the function page num for sorry, I'm not using the function, so I'm using the for page num in ADSL page 1 unique. So I'm using the page 1 equal to page num, then add table rows, how many columns. So one row, and how many columns we have? 1 2 3 4 5 columns are here. So the 5 columns are added, and the table style will be the lights shading accent one. So here's the thing, right now we don't have the client specific the mock related the template we have in the Python program. So I'm using the simple light shading accent one, so that will be giving the light shade blue color. I will show you after. Okay, so the next one, the header part, what I'm doing, I'm giving the width for each row here, because how much width will be having, and here and here and here. So I'm giving the each inches, like first one will be 6.0, the next one will be 2.0, so like that. So then I'm giving this text header cells. For 0 index will be having the subject and n number should goes at the bottom, because the number will be in the bottom. So /n will be goes to the number, the safety and population, the intent to treatment, and randomization population. So for example, here I will be uh, the I will be width, right? So I will be header cells, the cell width will be the injection. For 0 index, for I will be the 0, the cell in an adapter, so cell dot width is 6.0. so like that it apply to the header part. And for the row part will be the I'll be giving the similar width, similar inches, because what I'm doing the inches, because the header part, how much width we have given, the value should also come on the bottom of that head column, right? So for that reason I'm giving the similar width. So then I'm applying for, I'm taking for the row part of subject ID and safety population, intended treatment populations, string of randomization flag, and also applying the index. The will be the similar inches of the width. Okay, so next I'm adding the page break, for every 20 records. Okay, then what I'm doing here, I'm giving the what do you call, the footnotes. As per the footnotes, we will be having the footnotes here, right? So I'm giving the footnotes, and the alignment will be the left side. Okay, the footer part of alignment will be the left side. Then I'm saving this into this documents in the Word format, in the document format. So if I run this one, so there are no errors. So if I run this part, okay, if I go check here, if I go check in output, so I'll be having this output data set. Now you can able to see this one. We have subject ID, safety population, intended treatment population, per protocol population, randomization population. So we got this. So all these are 20 records, and it is breaking for each page. So all of them we got the required as per the mock shell, but the mock shell has a different format, a different template. So this is a client specific template, but for here we are using that the light shading accent one. So for that reason we are getting uh, this kind of template. So this is for just explanation purpose. So I'm not bothering that the report will not be delivering like this. So if you have the client, they will provide the template, and you will be using the template, and you can execute the template in your program, and you will be get similar like kind of template color or the style. So for now, for the explanation purpose, I'm using this light shading accent one. Okay, so we got our required listing. Okay, all the informations are present. Listing will be easier to deliver, to give, to report the 5 variables values. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this video. We will meet to the next video for another listing. Thank you so much for listening.